You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very long word, one of the longest words in the English language. If you want to learn more fantastic words like this, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. 52 letters pronounced as Aqueo Salino. Aqueo for aqua, water. Salino, salt. Calcalino Ciracio. Calcary, Calcalino Ciracio. And then alumino for aluminium or aluminum. Sucoprio, Sucoprio from cupra, copper, vitriolic. Alright, so let's listen carefully one more time. Aqueo Salino Calcalino Ciracio Alumino Sucoprio Vitriolic. Alright, let's do it faster. Aqueo Salino Calcalino Ciracio Alumino Sucoprio Vitriolic. It actually burns my throat just pronouncing it. But now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.